Okay, we're gonna ride the Dover elevator downstairs. And I have a special surprise for you when we get downstairs. It's gonna be sweet. And look at this. They took the bumper away and replaced it with a sensor. Look at this. Now it has a sensor. Alright, let's go down to 1. This thing used to be up there, and now it used to be down there, but now it's up here. Now, we're gonna get a soda out of the vending machine. 3 more dimes. Let's ring the bell. All right, get my last dime. All right. Alrighty, I think I'll choose, let's have a Sunkist. Here comes my change, my quarter, and here's my drink. A Sunkist. Okay, that's it.